Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to a new video. So, it is the 2nd, and on Thursday through probably Monday, I am going to be spending those days at my nana's. So, I live with my parents in Marysville, and my nana lives now in an apartment complex that's no longer that in Sac. That's 45 minutes away. So this is everything. Well, not quite everything, but clothing wise. This is all the clothes I'm bringing. Then I'm going to do a rundown at the end of other items that I will need to add to this. But let's get clothes out of the way first. So, first up, let's do socks. I will probably have to go and buy socks because Brian eats them, and then me and my mom have very similar shoe sizes. Actually, I gotta take some of my socks back because our shoe sizes are similar and our socks are very similar. So, yeah. So, as of right now, I have one short pair of socks. And I'm going to have 4, but one of these I'm going to be wearing long pair of socks. I'm probably going to wear the short pair of socks tomorrow. I have dentist appointment. So, yeah. So, you okay? Dog. So, 3 short pair of socks. There's this little compartment right. This zip-up compartment right here. That's where these are gonna go. So, like, that's the perfect place to put socks. Those are gonna go in there. Get zipped up. In the main compartment, because it is being packed. Let me start with what I'm gonna be most likely wearing. So, what I'm gonna be wearing over there is this long sleeve. This is a pink long sleeve shirt that I think I got like 2 or 3 Christmases ago. I don't honestly know when I got this. I'm pretty sure I got it for Christmas about 2 or 3 Christmases ago. So I'm going to be wearing that with one of my pairs of socks. And these pairs of pants. I've worn these pairs of pants before. These are just some sweatpants that I bought a few months ago at Walmart. They do have pockets, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to be wearing over there. I'm also going to be bringing my gray beanie, but I won't probably pack them because, yeah. And then pink beanie I will wear with this. So I'll have my 2 beanies, and now all of this has to fit in here. And I do have a method to my madness. So I'm gonna be over there. Thursday I'm gonna wear that, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I'm probably not gonna come back until late Monday. So I might wear a pair of pajamas. On Monday. I'll get to that in a minute. So, I got these are leggings, So I got that pair of leggings. These are jean. They're not jeggings, they're just leggings that are jean material. I did ask my sister to look for a pair of sweats that I'm missing. We got a pair of blue leggings. Got a pair of gray leggings. So those are going to be days. And that's mainly I go anywhere. It's been nice. I'll probably go to the park one of the days. And then we can go somewhere Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's 3 pairs with an extra. So, yeah. Then, as like PJs, we got these ones. We got the only like thick other than the ones I'm bringing. These ones. These are 2 thick pairs of pajama pants. These might be what I wear on Monday. I got this shirt as a shirt. This is a purple, kind of purple long sleeve shirt. I know my shirts that has a snowflake on it. I might wear that out. I've worn it out before. Went to my grandma's house actually for Christmas. She didn't say anything, but so yeah, my mom actually gave me this shirt, and I'm probably gonna wear this shirt with that short sleeve shirt. Let me get to it. So I got this Hello Kitty shirt. It's again long sleeves. I got 4. These are my 4 short sleeves. So I got, this is my college shirt. So we got that. I just don't want to turn it inside out right now. We got this shirt is the shirt my Nana gave me. I've not worn it. I'll probably wear it one of the days I'm over there. We got this shirt that I'll probably have as a pajama shirt. If I get hot, I will have that. And then I have this shirt as either a short sleeve option or to layer with this shirt. And I might wear that with this on Monday. So, some of you might be like, why am I staying over there for about 30 days? Well, me and my Nana for the last probably month or so have talked about me coming over to their new place sometime during my Nana, because my Nana also goes to my college semester/winter break that we are currently on. So we were trying to figure out dates of when can I go over there, because I've not spent the night since they've been over there. We were like, okay, when can Mariah come and spend the night for a few days and have like essentially a long weekend? So after figuring it out, we're like, let's do this upcoming weekend. And so it just so happened to line up to where my dad has a toy show this weekend. And so I'm going to be going over there while they're at the show. The show is 3 days long, but they're doing the setup on Thursday. So that's why they're at least staying there on Thursday. They're probably asking what he said until Monday. Getting to that. So the reason why I'm planning to stay, and I think it's already been decided, but I'm going to talk to my nana when I get there to double check about staying until Monday. Monday is my orientation for one of my classes that I'm taking. I'm taking an ECE class that's in person through 21. And so, since my college is in Sac, and my nana lives in Sac, it just makes the most sense for me to stay over there one more night until sometime Monday, and then come back Monday after the orientation, and then probably won't be back down there again until school starts. So that's the method behind the madness and where we are currently. Quite like, how does all this stuff fit in? Very, very carefully. I am legit almost done. So everything is in here now. So, yeah. And this looks like a lot, but you guys saw all the clothes. And then this, I'm probably going to leave out, but I could put that in. There is other compartments. I just want to get money. I'm probably going to get, I think this is a medium. I'm probably get a large. So if I want to spend 4 days, that's again. Will fit better. Let's see. And there's still a little bit. And the other things I'm taking, I'm obviously going to be taking my bear. So this is my bear that I'm going to be being in. I have this blanket, ignore the mess. I am charging stuff right now. So I'm going to be bringing this blanket, that charger that's charging that charger, one of these cords, whichever, probably 2 of them that go to my phone, because one of them has been really cooperating. We got this pair of headphones and a red pair of headphones. Probably this pillow, just to have a pillow. Okay, so I'm probably also going to bring probably this box of colored pencils, if fell. And one of my 2 coloring books, I haven't decided which one yet. And then I gotta bring my watch, current time. I'll probably bring a lot of tissues. And then I'm gonna bring this jacket, my backpack purse. I gotta see if it's gonna be raining. So, if it's gonna be raining, I'm gonna bring a pair of my rain boots and my pink umbrella. I'm also gonna be bringing my hairbrush, but as soon as I get money, maybe when I'm over there, I can talk to my nana about getting a new one, because this one needs to go away. My detangling spray, my toothbrush, and then all of that stuff. And melatonin, gotta make sure I have deodorant, and that should be everything, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. And me and Kokomo, hopefully, we'll see you. Maybe. I don't know if Kokomo will be in my next video, but at least me. We'll see you in the next video. Wanna say bye, Kokomo? Bye! Boink.